Good morning, guys, and welcome to my crazy room. Okay, so this is my office. Let me turn on lights. Maybe we look a little bit better. Whoa. Okay. I think that's better. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the nightmare that is my office, but between Vlogmas, all of the Christmas orders, and just everything has ended up in my office, okay? Not only do I work out here, this is my office, I film videos in here, it does all of the things, you know what I'm saying? So today, as you guys saw, it is 3 days before Christmas. My sister and my nephew are gonna be here on Christmas Eve, so I need to clean out this office because they're staying in here. So I have to get rid of this chair. Also, if this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump right into this video. I'm gonna show you guys like what's really going on in here, and then we need to clean and reset. This is forcing me to do all of my filing. Like, I'm gonna get all of my end of the year stuff done. I've got to get really serious on my content planning for the next 2 to 3 weeks because I've got some fun things coming, but also because I can't film in here while my sister's here, and I don't want to be filming while my sister and my nephew are just here in my house. I want to have things pre-filmed content for you guys. So let's go. All right, so the madness of all of like the tripods and the lighting are back here. That's a Christmas present, my laptop bag, presents that need to get wrapped. I don't know, we were doing some arts and crafts. We have some wrapping paper because Christmas. We have all of our Christmas jams. I got matching Christmas jams for the whole family so we can wake up and have Christmas jams in the morning. I've got to get rid of my workout stuff in here, all the wrapping paper. I started wrapping presents last night with Liv and then she got bored. All the stocking stuffers, all of the things. So, I think we're gonna do some Christmas wrapping later tonight. I'm gonna just put on a Christmas movie and do wrapping. Normally, we wrap all the presents on Christmas Eve. We turn on a movie, we hang out, we do all the wrapping. But my sister is gonna be here, so I don't wanna save that for the very end. So, we're gonna do that tonight. We'll just turn on a good Christmas movie. We'll do wrapping, but I wanna organize all the presents. I gotta move them. I gotta get everything out of this office and clean it up so that we can get my sister in here. I also think that this is gonna be like a little mini series of like clean, reset, let's get ready for the new year together, because I've got like elimination diet video coming. I've got like, we're gonna have to get rid of all the Christmas trees and clean out the house, so stay tuned. I think January we're gonna do like a clean and reset with me. We just gotta get this done right now, so let's go. What am I gonna do with this chair, you guys? I don't even know if I can get it out of my office. I'm pretty sure Doug had to take the legs off of this chair in order to get it into my office. I love this chair, okay? This chair has been with me and my sister since we lived together, like in college. And I love this chair. My intention is always to get it like refinished and put it somewhere nice. I just, you know, I haven't done it and I have nowhere to put it. So I think it's gonna have to go in the garage while she's here. We're gonna have to figure something out. So let's keep going, but let's take a quick look. We've done pretty good. We've done pretty good. That's just a bag of garbage. I need to get that present out of here. I need to move all of that stuff. Yep. I'm gonna reorganize that. I'm gonna move my vision board over here so I can see it better. I'm moving this guy out of here so that I can reorganize so that they have a little bit more space. So let's do that. Okay, so let's get that guy out of here so that we can like at least organize some stuff around. All right, you guys, so we've made some good progress. We stopped to make Liv some breakfast. I made myself my healthy peppermint mocha. Peppermint coffee, but to me it tastes like a peppermint mocha because I've always done like an Americano with peppermint. So where we're at is that everything's pretty much cleared out, but this filing cabinet I'm gonna put in my closet over there. But first, we gotta get through filing and all the things. I've got some books out because I need to do my last end of year review, and I want to just give you guys like all my best tips and tricks and the things that have completely changed my life this year. So I've got some things sitting out for that, so I'll just put that stuff aside. So let's do some filing, organizing, which is really great because going into the new year, you just want to have like all the paperwork off your desk. So this is making me do that. We're going to do that right now. Then we will move that and then reorganize a little bit more. And we're almost done. All right, you guys, checking back in. It's been a few hours. Liv and I had to go run some errands. I got my Santa hat on, my good old trusty Santa hat. Love this thing. And this sweater, you guys. Have you guys seen my holiday gift guide? If you haven't seen the holiday gift guide, go check it out. This sweater is linked. So cute, so comfortable. I love the off the shoulder. So cute. Okay, so I just wanted to show you where we're at with the office. I think we did really well. I need to like finish cleaning off my desk. It looks a lot worse than it actually is. It's a couple presents and I hung up my vision board. And then this guy, you guys will see what's going on with that very soon. I've got something coming for you, which is so exciting. I have one more video to film. So we've got that guy out and then I'm gonna hide this guy and put the tree in the corner. And then, you know, just, we gotta vacuum and I need to get rid of this chair. But I have one more day to get rid of the chair. So we'll figure out what to do with the chair. I'm guessing garage. Doug's not gonna love it, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I actually need to go edit a video that you're gonna see before this video. And then I'll see you guys again when I'm wrapping presents. I feel so much better having all of the things done and taken care of. It's been a little bit of a stressful day, I'm not gonna lie. Alas, here we are. We've made it.
Jingle them bells and frolic. Oh, by gosh, some stolly. Eggnog, gin and tonic make Yuletide gay and jolly. Same procedure every year. I just can't get enough. I drink till Rudolph reappears. A toast to him, that red-nosed dear. Jingle them bells and frolic, it's the best day of the year. Come fly with me now, Rudy. I'm loaded.
All right, you guys, if this was content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you hit that little notification bell, it just lets you know when my next video comes out. I will have more content linked for you guys at the end of the video. Don't forget to come back for more motivation and getting ready for the new year, because I got your back. We've got more health and fitness coming, more psoriatic arthritis coming. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
To the newborn king, I drink to Santa and his helpers too. Here's to mistletoes and here's to you. Jingle them bells and frolic, come, let's sing and dance and cheer. It's the best time of the year.